And my sweet baby Jesus, this thing is ridiculous. It's music to my ears. It sounds like a Mercy, even higher pitched than a Mercy with a fab speed exhaust. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. And today's episode we're going to be covering Savage Garage, DD and Stradman and a few others. If you're new to the channel, guys, please do consider smashing the subscribe button. With the channel getting bigger, I am aiming for 2,000 subs if we can get there, and I have some big plans in the works for this channel. I owe an apology to my subscribers. I have an MIA. I do work a full-time job, guys, and it's very hard for me to try and find time sometimes to make these videos. Plus, I've been a bit down. It's been hard for me to find motivation to make these videos because YouTube isn't pushing them, and if they're not being pushed and they're barely being seen, nobody's really subscribing. Like, all I want is one subscriber a day. Even one subscriber every 2 days, I would be pretty happy. Guys, I have no supercars where I'm from, so this is what I do. I am planning to get a project car hopefully in January. I do have it picked out what one I'm going to get. I just have to save the money. But the main goal, apart from getting a project car, one of the main goals for this channel is to get an Audi R8 and modify the living hell out of it. So if you guys want to see that kind of stuff, please help the channel grow, please subscribe. And I already have a crazy massive idea for the channel. If it ever gets to maybe 150,000 subscribers where I'm making the money to be able to do it, I will then tell you what it is. I don't think any other car YouTuber has done it before. It's pretty crazy. The only hints I'm going to give you is it is in the United States. Now, I get 6 months holiday visa in the States. So if I go away and do this, if we ever got big enough to do it, look, who knows? We'll see. It's something saying now because I have no idea where this channel is going to end up going. But anyway, enough of my rambling on. We're going to get into today's video, and we're going to start it off with Savage Garage. They have literally just released a video that I just watched an hour ago on the straight piped SVJ, tuned by Gintani, and we all know what Gintani can do because they've done stuff for DD and a few others. And my sweet baby Jesus, this thing is ridiculous. It's music to my ears. It sounds like a Mercy, even higher pitched than a Mercy with a fab speed exhaust. My God, it's just incredible. So here is a quick clip for you, just some flybys with Randy taking the SVJ down the road. There you go, guys. What do you think? Honestly, every Lamborghini should sound like this. I don't even know. Correct me, or somebody can tell me in the comments below. Can you only make this sound with the V12 Lamborghini, or can you do it with a V10 as well? I'm not too sure. I'm just curious because could you do this with a Gallardo if you wanted to try? I'm not too sure. It sounds amazing. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Gintani putting it out again, and just wow, I could listen to that all day. Eargasmic as it was. So we'll move on to the next on our list is Stradman. He is after getting new wheels for his Bugetti Veyron. Got rid of the aftermarket wheels, and he had to because he wants to do a top speed in it, and you need official Bugetti wheels and tires on the car to be able to do a top speed. And obviously he's going to have to get the proper fuel for it. I prefer the other wheels, but again, it's for the purpose of what he wants to do. They're not too bad, but I don't like Veyron wheels any form, but they have their purpose, and they're better than what the original wheels are. So he's gonna go, and he needs to get a 250 mile an hour key. The car is getting shipped to an airfield for him to go and do the run. Obviously all the checks be done and stuff like that, and it'll just be interesting to see him do that kind of speed in the Veyron and see what he can get. And obviously he's going to wrap purple. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. Do you think he's going to hit the 250 miles an hour or get close to it, and what you think of the new wheels on the car? Next on the list is TJ Hunt. He is after getting a new wrap on his Lamborghini Aventador. And yes, I actually enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun. The way he interacted with Stradman came out pretty cool, and I must say, I did say it in my previous videos. I said if it was going to go nada grey, the next colour is going to go as purple, and he has gone purple. It really does suit the Aventador. I mean, like, it's just such a nice colour. I really love it. It's like a really glossy purple, even nearly chromish kind of. I love the way he rang Stradman and they did that kind of interaction. That was really fun. But yeah, it came out amazing. He must be really happy with it. I know for me, if we get the project car in January, I'm telling you right now, it's going to come down to two colours: satin chrome purple, the Stradman colour, or satin chrome red. They're the only two colours going to go on the project car whenever we get it. It'll be up to you to decide which colour to go. But that will be whenever that happens. So yeah, great colour choice by TJ Hunt. Loving it. Can't wait to see now more clips of the Aventador. And he should do a reaction vid. I think it'd be pretty cool to go down the street doing that as well. That'd be pretty a lot of fun. But yeah, well done to TJ Hunt. I love the colour, and yeah, I can't wait to see what he does next with the Aventador. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the wrap. Next on the list is DDE, another new wrap on the horizon. So Dave has gotten his Huracan wrapped. Came out pretty sweet. I do like it. It's not too bad. So I'm just going to show you a quick clip of the wrap here, just when, as you can see it, it's the orange accents and stuff like that. But it's not too bad. So here's a quick clip of the new wrap on the Huracan.
We have to show you guys the reveal of Dave's car. Dave has a brand new wrap. Check it out. So this was designed after one of my favorite Super Trofeo race teams, and it was a satin black car. We went with gloss.
There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below, would you do that to your Huracan? Would you go down that route? Yeah. The only bit I don't like about it is where the headlights are, where they put that orange bit. The rest of it I do like. I just think there's a bit too much orange where the headlights are. Otherwise, it's a pretty cool wrap. Would I go down that route? I mean, black and orange always go together well. It wouldn't be a wrap for me. Not something I would go for, but it's still pretty cool. I'm kind of on the fence about it a bit. But I want to hear your comments below, what you think of the wrap on Dave's Huracan. Would you go for it, yes or no? What you think of it? What colour did you want him to go? Yeah, it's not the worst. It definitely stands out. You know, orange and black are very loud colours when they're together, so it's not the worst. I do like it. As I said, it could be a lot worse, but look, we'll see how long these wraps last in the car for DD. They're always up to something anyway, so it'll be interesting to see what happens in it. And yeah, comment below, guys. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. Last on the list is Tavarish. Tavarish has just released a video today. It's an import company not too far from where he lives, and they had an absolute bucket ass load of JDM cars. Absolute heaven for me. When he went in, I was like, wow, this is like JDM heaven, all imports. So for you guys in the States, I think it's like 25 years, I think it is, until you can actually bring them in and register them and stuff like that. For us, it doesn't matter what year it is, but for us, if the car is 30 years old, it's counted as vintage or classic, and then it's really cheap to insure it and to road tax the car, and we don't need like small test or something like that on it either. Like, so you know, it's something, the project car I want to get is going to be at least a 1990, 91, 92 car. That's all I'm going to give. But anyway, with Tavarish, like, he went in, it's JDM cars everywhere. There was Supras, Skylines, the NSX, there were some K cars in there, there was a Subaru, Mercedes, what else was inside there? Mazda RX-7. I mean, it was just ram-packed, some of the best JDM cars you can see. I am a Super guy, true and true. I've had a Super before in the past. I love that car, never had an ounce of trouble with it. So here's my question to you guys. If you could have any car in that garage, what one would you take? Now, it would be the Super for me. I know the NSX is there, and it's an NSX, and it's an NSX, but I've had Supers before and I just love them. I would never get sick of a Supra. Hopefully someday, if this channel gets big enough, I would guarantee we would get a Supra for this channel if it gets big enough to do it. But yeah, I mean, some of the cars inside there are, and even the Honda Beat that was inside there, that's like the K cars, they're so cool. I would love to modify one of them, a Honda Beat. I don't even know how much they are over here, but you can definitely get them. But yeah, I want to know in the comments below, guys, what you thought of the video, on what car, if you could pick anyone in that garage for free and have it, what one would you take? I'm presuming there'll be a few Skyline boys out there and some NSX heads, but I'm a Super guy. That's the one that picked for me, and yeah, that's the one that I would go for. So that is everything for today, guys. Again, to my normal subscribers, I'm sorry I went MIA. I'm not going to be able to post as much as I want. If the channel gets bigger and I get more subscribers, obviously I'll post more often, but at the moment it's hard to find the motivation to post when nobody's subscribing. I'm not going to lie. I'm just being brutally honest. It's hard because I finish work, go to the gym, and I literally get an hour to maybe an hour or two to myself, and I gotta go away and make a video. And when you're on the couch chilling out, it's a lot of work. Come up, record, go down, edit it, and have it out for the next day. But that's neither here or there. Let's see how everything goes. I'm waiting for my new sign. It'll be back soon, or the new one will be here soon. Guess the color. And yeah, look, I'll see when I have another video out next, maybe in another day or two. Look, we'll see how I am, and you will get another one this week anyway. So again, thank you very much. If you're new, please do subscribe. Please smash the like button, guys. Please do help out the channel. And for my normal subscribers, yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out, stay safe, and bye.